What's going on, everybody? So I want to thank everyone for all the support they have been giving me. I had to start off with that. And I am super excited to announce that after tons of work, I have finally finished revamping my website. So when you go to Jthehairchitect.com now, you will notice that it is completely different. It's revamped. The first thing you'll notice is a deposit tab at the top. So if you book certain services, or if you're booking a service and you want to ensure that your slot will be reserved, there is a deposit tab. If I ask you to go to it, it'll be right at the top of the website. Two, I'm really excited about the most frequently purchased tab on the homepage. So when you go to the homepage and you scroll down like halfway, you'll see most frequently purchased. There's 3 tabs. And the first one is the natural wave, the raw hair straight from India. Is single donor hair. That's the first one you'll notice. Then the second one, I think, is blonde hair. That's purchased a lot. And then the third most purchased item I get is the units, the wig units. So there is a standard one on there, but you can always email me with your inspiration photo, and then we'll do a quote from there. What I'm really excited about, and I've been repping the Mielle company a lot. That's because I really believe in the product. It is something that I can tell my clients to go get, and I trust everything in their collection. I've been working with them for a while now, and I really like everything in their collection. And they're actually continuing to drop things here and there. So they just dropped the rice water collection. That's amazing. And so there is a link on the homepage of my website. And when you click on that Mielle link, it will refer you to their site, where you will get a discount for, I believe, the first time you shop with them. I believe it's 25% off. So definitely check that out. I have videos. I have my calendar is on there so that you can know where I will be and when, so you can book your appointment. I also have a really great FAQ page on my site that discusses units, extensions, and some good FAQs on there. All right, so check out Jthehairchitect.com. I appreciate all the support. Definitely subscribe, hit the ring bell button for notifications. I will be trying to drop videos here and there. Definitely support that. And you know what? If you see a video that you like, that resonates with you, definitely share it on your social media so that we can further this educational process. I am trying to educate my curly hair people, my naturals out there, on all things hair. All right. And this is actually really forcing me to do more research on the things that I'm not even 100% sure about. All right. So look, don't forget, subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications, and I will see you all later. We will see you all later.